What's up guys, my name is Serge. To all my reoccurring viewers and to my subscribers and to the people that have liked all my videos and have supported me up to this point, thank you so much. I appreciate every single one of you guys. If this is your first time here, welcome. And do me a big favor and just hit that like button and smash that subscribe button. 2018 has actually been a crazy year that I am tremendously grateful for. It has definitely had a lot of highs and lows. So I'm gonna start with the very first day of the year, which was January 1st, 2018. That was the day that I actually officially moved to Arizona. That alone was a huge leap of faith. It was a huge just milestone for me because I had just finished college, just moved out of my parents' house. So coming out here completely alone was a huge milestone for me, and that was just a roller coaster of emotions. And I can't say enough how thankful I am for the fact that I get to live here in Phoenix, Arizona, and to be able to have the opportunities that I have and to have been blessed with the opportunities that I have. Another thing that I am grateful for is for all the failures that I had in the business. When starting out, I am definitely grateful for that because it has taught me a lot of things, not only about myself, but also about business. And so I am so grateful for that. And then also, I'm grateful for the fact that I have the opportunity to run an assisted living home and to continue expanding, which I have a lot of big things coming up, so stay tuned for that. And anyhow, that is something that I am tremendously grateful for. The next thing that I'm grateful for is the fact that I had the courage to start this channel. This channel wasn't easy for me to start. I was definitely afraid of, you know, just like anybody else, I was afraid to put myself out there. And like I've mentioned before in the video where I talk about me starting YouTube after like 3 weeks or whatever, I was like, I don't know what number of video that is, but it's somewhere in my videos. You guys can go find it. Thumbnail has the YouTube logo on there, so you guys can go find it and watch it. But that alone was a huge milestone for me too, is just starting this YouTube channel. So I'm definitely grateful for that. 2018, to sum it up pretty much, was the first year that I really started entrepreneurship and started my own official business, like a brick and mortar business. My first time experiencing real estate, my first time experiencing owning my own business in the healthcare field. So that alone has been a huge thing and a huge just milestone, really. And so I know there was a lot of doubters and a lot of naysayers, but regardless, with God's help, here I am, and I am excited for what He has in store for me. I can already tell He's just lighting things up already, like for this next upcoming year. So I'm really excited to see what He has in store for me. And yeah, I really just want to inspire you guys. I really want to hear about your guys's you know, year down in the comment section. Guys, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart, just for the support, even though it's little right now and there's really like nothing crazy. At the end of the day, I know that this channel will grow with time, and I know that the like-minded people that watch this stuff and watch my stuff will help grow it. And I can't wait to see where this channel goes in the near future. So if you haven't yet, go ahead, hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you guys get notified, and make sure you guys comment down. Seriously, I want to hear from all of you guys who watch this. And yeah, guys, Happy New Year, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. God bless. Bye.